Okay, so what we're going to do is we are actually going to show you how to create this week's timesheet. We're starting off with these two workbooks, and what we're going to do is we're going to take each of the sheets in these workbooks, create a new workbook in which both of these sheets will both exist. That'll be under a copy that's under our name, under your individual name, I should say. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the one that has the date on it for this week, the consolidated one. And I'm going to have to open that up in the desktop version of Excel. So I open it up in Teams, open in desktop version. It takes a second to open here. Now, if I'm opening it and someone already has a lock on it, it'll be read-only. If I'm opening it and I have edit access, I have full access to update it. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to immediately file and save as. It's asking me to sign in. Okay. So I need to file save as. In this case, since I have edit control over, it's not saving it as, it's saving a copy. So that copy is going to actually go right up to SharePoint or Teams. And I want that copy to be named with my name after it. All right, so now I have one down and one to go. So I want to now go back to Teams and get the timesheet one so that I can stick that in this one. And I'm back here. I can close this now. And notice that this one has not been updated because I renamed it. Okay, so this one is closed. Let's see, I don't seem to be closing it. Let's go back in here. Oh, here's the X. This is the dark mode. Oops, that's not what I want to do. That's the wrong X. Okay, here we are. Okay, so now I want to grab timesheet and also open that one in the desktop version of Excel. All right, so now we have it. So now I should have those two Excel files down here. There they are, number 1 and number 2, the consolidated one and the individual timesheet. So in the individual timesheet, what I want to do is right click on the tab, and now I have access to move or copy, which I did not have access into Teams, which is why I needed to bring this down to the desktop version of Excel. Now, if I don't create a copy, if I don't click that off, it'll actually get rid of timesheet and move it in. I don't want to do that. So I'm actually going to move it to the one that I had just created under my name. And I'm going to move it to the end and create a copy. This is important that this is checked. And there it is. I have the consolidated one, and I have the one where I'm going to put my time in. So now all I have to do is close it. It should automatically update it. And this one, of course, wasn't changed, the timesheet one. Okay, resume editing. And once again, we didn't change timesheet. And there's the one that I created. I also, again, didn't change this one. Prove that by opening it. So it has no second sheet in it. And the one that I created with my name on it should have the 2 sheets. And where are the 2 sheets? There they are. So here's the 1 sheet. And here's the, whoops, I just moved it around. And here's the 2nd sheet. So again, both sheets are there. And now I'm ready to start my week.